guys! Andito kami ngayon sa Antipolo, Rizal. Nag-deliver kami ng furniture kay ma'am. And here's the first one. Pasok kayo guys. This is semi-double, 42 by 75, bedroom only. Upholstery siya guys ng Kopi Michiya fabric. Fabric siya guys, para siyang gamusa. And then, akit naman tayo sa ating second, third, and fourth na bed. Ang taas ang bahay. Taas pa?
Oo.
Ang laki ng bahay niyo guys. Parang pensyon. Okay. Be-vlog lang mo.
Bang sa mga isat lang. Hello vlog. Guys.
Ang bagal ko.
And guys, this is the ang bed na to, 48 by 75 double, and lower lang yung headboard niya. Cushion type siya. Hinati lang siya sa gitna yung cushion, and then yung body niya is all varnish paint with 4 drawers. And this is upholstery of gray Cairo soft gamusa siya guys. And yung body niya is duko varnish ng mahogany wood with 4 drawers. And, dito naman tayo guys, sa ating, same design lang rin to guys, semi-double din to, 42 by 75. Cushion design din siya, dark gray Cairo upholstery din siya, and with 4 drawers din, yung body din niya guys is duko varnish mahogany wood, lahat din ng wood is mahogany, and napakakinis po ng pagkakabarnish sa kanya, and all solid wood. And then, dito naman guys, sa isa, marami po in-order si client sa amin guys, lahat ng rooms dito na bed frame. And this is the 48 by 75 din guys, with drawers din siya. Ito naman, upholstery design siya, upholstery fabric siya ng cream soft Cairo gamusa. And then, yung design ng headboard niya is cushion with linings din siya guys, na ganito. And then, yung body niya is upholstery ng cream fabric. And then, this is the last one, yung baby pink shell design. May gumagawang ko po kasi guys, nakikiblag na. And then, this is the double size bed, 48 by 75. Shell design siya guys, upholstery to ng Amalia fabric. And then, yung headboard niya is 50 inches height, and then shell design padded po siya. Ayun lang guys, thank you so much.
Hi ka kuya.
Hi kuya, hi vlog.